Hi guys, and welcome to the Aging Games. Let me ask you this really important question. Right now in this moment, what is your body using for fuel? Are you burning fat? Are you a fat burning machine? Or are you burning carbohydrates? So this is an interesting question, and if you want to find the answer to this, then please keep watching. So about a month ago, I came across this new little device that got me really excited. And I love biohacking. I love trying new gadgets. I love anything that can help me hack my metabolism. So I was really excited to hear about this little thing. It's called a Lumen. And if you haven't heard of this, you will soon, and you're going to be hearing about it a lot because it's a really, really important little device that has made a tremendous difference in my life and in knowing exactly what's happening in my body and how I'm responding to the food that I'm eating. So just to give you a little bit of a background, I've been doing keto, paleo, low carb diets for a long time, and I've been mostly keto carnivore for the past 3 years. I use the breathalyzer, I use also the sticks to make sure that I'm in ketosis all the time. But being in ketosis or thinking that you're in ketosis doesn't always tell you the full story. Sometimes those sticks and even the breathalyzers are not even accurate. So being in ketosis is one thing, or having these devices tell you that you are in ketosis, but you really want to know whether your body's in fat burning mode or not. So this is where this little device comes in super handy. First of all, it's a very sleek little design. I love it. And it comes with an app on your phone, which you need to connect, and you need to set the whole thing up, which is pretty simple to do. Then what happens is you just take it, you connect it to the app, and you take a deep breath in, and then you hold this breath for about 10 seconds, and then the app will tell you exactly when to let it out. And what this measures is the carbon dioxide in your breath. And through this, it's able to tell you whether you are burning fat or you're burning carbs for energy. And this is really important because, first of all, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is I check with this machine to make sure that I'm in fat burning mode, which I really should be after fasting all night, but I'm not all the time. So what I'm eating in the evening or the last meal that I have the day before will really determine whether I'm in fat or carb burning mode even the next day. So this is really important to me because I didn't realize this. I always thought that, okay, even if I do have a bit of a higher carb meal in the afternoon or the evening, early evening, because I don't really do dinner, then the next morning I should be back to fat burning because, I fasted maybe 12 hours and during the night and then a little bit in the morning, but that's not always the case. So now I'm really getting a true picture of how my metabolism works, how I'm reacting to different foods. When I go for a walk and then I come back from a walk, I do another reading and to see if my body switched from burning carbs and to burning fat, which is also really important. So you want to see how your body responds to exercise. This device will adapt to you over the weeks. It will keep taking these readings and it will be kind of customized to your needs and to your breath and to your metabolism. And what it's looking for is this metabolic flexibility, which is really important. I didn't realize how important this is until I had the Lumen. So metabolic flexibility is basically your body's ability to switch from burning fat to burning carbs to burning fat again. So for some people, once they get into the sugar burning mode, it's really difficult to get back into ketosis, to get back to burning fat one more time. So what happens when you're eating a lot of carbs, which, like if you look at the population of the Western world, 70% of the population is overweight. So this happens because you're eating mostly carbohydrates, which converts to sugar in your body to glucose, and then whatever is not used is stored as energy for future use. This is a defense mechanism that the body has in place because in the past we used to feast when we had a lot of food, but then we also had to fast. We always had to have this extra that we carried around for times when there wasn't enough food. But of course, this is not an issue anymore because there's a huge abundance of food and most people are eating just way too much and a lot more than their body actually requires, and they're eating the wrong foods. And if you look at the food pyramid or you follow the standard American diet, which is pretty much standard in the Western world, then you're eating pretty much mostly carbohydrates, or at least 200 to 300 grams of carbohydrates every single day. And this is a big problem because what happens is your body is not able to get into into fat burning mode ever, because you're constantly trying to burn the sugar that you're eating, because every single kind of carbohydrate converts the sugar to glucose in your body. And as you're not burning that, it all just gets stored and stored and stored. And this can actually lead to insulin resistance, it can lead to diabetes, it can lead to heart disease, to cancer, all kinds of different health conditions, most of the conditions that we are dying of right now. So it's really important to know this. I'm really finding that this device is helping me to stay on track. Now that I see exactly what happens when I overdo the carbs on a certain day, exactly what's happening to my body, and how long it takes me to get back into fat burning mode, it's making me a lot more aware of what I'm eating, and it's making me a lot more cautious about making the wrong choices. In effect, it's actually keeping me on track. Now, the Lumen is not a cheap device. It's based on technology that athletes have used in the past, but it was this larger machine. It was a very expensive process to be able to measure this, to see if you're in fat burning mode or if you're burning carbs. And to be able to have this in a small little device that you can use at home is pretty incredible. So the Lumen doesn't come cheap. It costs about $300. I do have a discount code for you guys, so you can check that out below. But I have to say that, as far as hacks go and gadgets go, you really get a lot of bang for your buck. Because how else would you be able to do this? How else would you be able to measure these things? You would have to go to a doctor's office. They would have to hook you up to this big machine that would be able to measure these things for you. So there's really nothing else on the market that is able to do this. Yes, of course, the keto sticks and the keto breathalyzers that we talked about, they do give you some indication of what's going on, but this will give you the true story. And it also gives you nutrition plans. It'll tell you how many carbs you should have for that day. It'll tailor it completely to your needs and to your metabolism. So there's so many really cool things that you can do with this app. Of course, with the Lumen, you don't need to be as diligent as I have been. Like, I do my first reading when I wake up in the morning before I eat anything. Then I do a reading before I eat. I do one after I eat. I will do one before exercise, after exercise, before walking, after walking, and then I'll do my final one before going to bed. So I will do this between each meals. And I'm really getting a good indication, and it's so motivating when you see that you wake up and you're burning mostly fat. And then you see that, okay, if I had a really strict keto meal, even after my meal, I've had a really nice meal and I'm really full and I'm still in fat burning mode. I mean, that's really incredible. And it's also good to see that, okay, I had something that wasn't quite keto, and boom, all of a sudden you're burning mostly carbs. And also then to see how long it takes for me to get back into fat burning. So it's super, super interesting, guys, because without this device, I would have never known these things. I would have never seen exactly how my metabolism works. Of course, the Lumen can be very helpful for athletes and to help with their performance. But I think for just about anybody, it could be very helpful and very useful, especially if you're very interested in losing weight or maintaining your weight and just to keep you on track. That's what it's all about for me. So guys, if you've tried the Lumen and you have some experience, then please share that with me. If you have questions, I'd love to hear that as well. And if you're interested in trying it for yourself, then please check out the link below and also for the discount code. And guys, please also check out my book with over 100 different anti-aging tips and hacks that you can try at home. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.